Hello everyone and welcome to Cyber War. Today we're gonna talk about organizing our videos into a course, and it's gonna be the type of course we build in public. And I realized that I work on a lot of combinations of operating systems, software, devices, and we need some clarity in this. So I came up with a system which can be improved, but we're gonna start a repo in GitHub, and I'm gonna make a link to all these categories whenever I make a video about something. So this is my own designation, so that we know where we are. A lot of the videos are here in A41, but let me explain the system. So the first letter is A, is Windows. The first column in the table is the device. Well, the operating system of the device, and I use a Windows machine. And then from this Windows machine, I have various options to touch the targets, or to do reconnaissance on the targets. So how do I get out of my Windows towards a hypothetical target somewhere? I don't know. Well, easiest one would be through the browser, or through an SSH connection. But the main two ones you want are these: VirtualBox and VMware, which basically do very similar things, and they run emulations of operating systems. So like you can run a Windows inside the Windows, or Linux inside the Windows, and that can be very useful for testing out things, for running Linux if it's not your daily machine. Then it's Windows subsystem for Linux. Then it's the browser, then PuTTY, and of course you can go down here and keep adding stuff. Right, and here, for example, A11 means this one, and Ubuntu. This means just install an Ubuntu in a VirtualBox, or it could be A21. It's an Ubuntu in a VMware. A41. These are actually in the order of how often I use them, basically. A41 would be in the browser, what platform I use most often, which is a full-blown operating system. So these are all operating systems inside operating systems. I'm not discussing, I don't know, a particular small app. So, well, except tier 1, which are like vessels that connect my actual operating system to the ones that I use. So, 4.1 and 4.2 is what we are doing here on TryHackMe. Like, by the way, the advent of cyber will start, so I'm gonna do a video every day. Please subscribe so you catch that. It starts on December 1st. You see here, you start the attack box, either Kali or Ubuntu. and then you have your temporary operating system to do stuff. And that's part of a browser. So, well, it's inside the browser, and it's an entire operating system. It's a tech box, right? Um, Also in a browser, you can run DigitalOcean local response, meaning you can connect to it through the browser directly. So you start the operating system and you have the command line interface here, launch droplet console, and that's a full-blown system. Among these four, these are basically what I use. There is another, well, there is another option, for example, this one. Inside the Ubuntu in VirtualBox, I connect to the Ubuntu in the cloud. And I do that for speed, for processing power, for changing the IPs, right? So that's doable. Also, yeah, this is basically my setup. Everything that I'm using is here. You don't see Kali very often. I'm not. I mean, I prefer to control my tools, and I don't care that it comes bundled with everything. Right. So we will take each of these situations and present how they are being deployed and how I use them. I want to start with this Ubuntu in VirtualBox, but I actually want to install VirtualBox inside VirtualBox in a Windows device. I don't want to record on my actual VirtualBox with the machines that I have. So I'm gonna emulate it, but it should be the same for you. And that's why I can't make it in this video. But we can do a video on this very soon, like running Ubuntu inside. And then for edge cases, I will keep adding to this. Like we're gonna run some malware labs and all that. So stick around because I will be adding to this playlist more videos. And actually, for example, for this one, failing to install Nabu, I actually found the reason why I didn't. For the video, I chose a droplet which was too small and it didn't compile the Go. I didn't check the logs, whatever, but it doesn't matter. So I'm building in public, so that's what's happening. All right, thank you for watching. So this is gonna be basically the skeleton, and then we're gonna keep adding apps that we use, tools, and I'm gonna put them in what context, and also link videos to all of them. So this will be the main repo that we're gonna build the course on, with links and everything. And it might also end up in some blog articles or some blog pages, but that's later after we code faster with GitHub Copilot. Thank you. Well, basically that's it. That's the big announcement. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned.